Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 9 physical science chapter number 9, what is inside the atom, question answer. In this video we are going to talk about question answer of this chapter, what is inside the atom, right? So first of all, moving to our answer, let's see the question, then we will move to the answer. If you see the question, we will understand this question is related to your chapter or not, and you will get idea what we are going to see the question in this question answer, what we are going to see the questions of this, which question or which question we are not going to see that one, okay now, because of it. So if you come here, you can see this is a keyword, so we will see keywords first, and then what we have learned means like important points which is related to chapter, okay now. So we are going to see that important points also in your workbook. There is lots of important points given, so we will see that one, okay. After that, if you come, so let us improve our learning in question answer, okay now. So first of all, you have to see the reflection of concept. We will see the in reflection of concept there is 4 questions given. We will see that 4 question. After that, we will see the application of concept. In application of concept, there is a totally in this there is a 5 questions given, okay now, till here fill in the missing information, okay. Till here we will discuss in that one. After that, we will talk about higher thinking question. In higher thinking question, we will see the 2 question in that one, okay now. After that, here multiple choice is given. We will also see the multiple choice question also, okay now. So I hope this one is clear. After the multiple choice, we will see the also suggested project work, okay now. So till suggested project work we will discuss, okay. So I hope this one is clear for you, okay. So if it is clear, then that's good, okay now. So now let's move to our answer. Okay, so already we see the question, now we have to see the answer. So our chapter number 9, what is inside the atom, already we see the question, now we have to see the answer. So this is our answer sheet, okay now. So this is a key concept is given here, so you can easily see, because lots of children recommend for the key concept, because they read or write whatever is important in chapter, it is given in the short way, because of that, okay now. So if you want to be right or if you want to be read, so easily you can be read or write, okay now. So I hope is it one clear for you. So just look at that one. Alright, so I hope this one is clear. So if it is clear, then come to the here, you can say this is our mind mapping. Mind mapping means it's like brain mapping only, which you what you are going to learn in this chapter, it's given here, okay now. So easily you can see here, okay now. So this is your brain mapping, easily you can see till here it is, okay. So I hope lots of children didn't write that one, so but the children who want to be write that one, you can write, but according to me, when I was in that class, so I always write that one, okay now. So after that, if you come here, you can see this is a keywords means word meaning only, okay now. So what is the atom, electron, proton, neutron, nucleus, this is a very important, okay now. If you go to the higher classes like 10th class and 11th class, if you take a science system, then definitely you have to be know this one things, okay now. So please focus on your study. So if you really want to be, just focus in that one, okay now. So this is your 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. So formula, unit, mass, atomic numbers, okay now. Atomic mass numbers, valency, okay, these are the something importance is given here, so definitely write this one, okay. So okay, so I hope this one is clear. So if it is clear, then come to the here, improve your learning. Improve your learning means nothing but it's like question answer only, okay, and reflection of concept. All right, so that's your first question. What are the 3 subatomic particles, okay now? Electron, proton and neutron, okay. And after this is your second question. What were the 3 major observation, okay. And if it is complete, then come to the third one, and that's your third question. Easily you can see from here, okay. If third question is complete, then come to the fourth one, and that's your fourth question, okay. A, B, C, and that is the sodium. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Distribution electron is 281. Hence the valency is 1. Okay now. So this is electric distribution. Something is it? Okay. Application of concept. Application of concept here it's starting, and that's our first question of that one. Compare the subatomic particles electron, proton, neutron. Okay, and this is the some property of electron, proton, and neutron. Electron is given that side, proton and neutron. Okay. So I hope this one is clear for you. You will not get any kinds of doubt in that one. Okay, so whenever you get doubt, just match with your textbook. Okay, so after that, here is it your second question, and third is also here. Okay, so I hope is it clear. Then come to the third one. That's the Valency already we see, and that's the third question answer only. Okay now. Okay, so after that here Valency of boron. Okay na, boron, that's boron. Atomic number of boron is 5. Okay, and that's the fourth question. What is the main difference among the that is the isotopes and the same electron element, that's not electron, element. Okay, and after that this one is the fifth one. Okay, so I hope this one is clear for you. Alright, so if it is complete, then come to the sixth one, and that's your sixth question. Okay, we can see this is your sixth question. If you have any doubt, then match with your textbook, and that's your answer. I hope this one is clear for you. So if it is clear, then come to the seventh one, and that's your seventh question, and answer is it here. Alright, so let's go. And now higher the question, higher the thinking question, and that's the first question, and answer is it here. Okay, so after that, that's your second question, and answer is it here. Alright, so I hope this one is clear for you. So if that one is complete, then come to the suggested project work, and that's a suggested project work. Write a report of history of unveiling the structure of atom from the John Dalton in the Niels Bohr, and that's the answer, history of a atom. Okay, I hope this one is clear for you. So if it is clear, then just go through the next one, and that's the history of that one only. Okay now, so I hope this one is clear, and hence the chapter is ended here only. Okay now, whatever is in it, it's totally completed. Our chapter number that's 9, it is totally completed here. Whatever question answer, okay, and keywords, some key concept also, everything whatever in this chapter is totally completed. All right, so I hope this one is this video will be helpful for you. Okay now, so we will meet the next video. Jai Hind.